Traders have a wide range of cryptocurrencies to pick from. Chainlink, on the other hand, is a company that some investors are unfamiliar with. Maybe you have heard of the Link token before, but you didn't know enough about it to feel comfortable investing in it. In today's video, we're going to show you why you should invest in the 14th largest cryptocurrency. Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure that the post notifications are turned on so you never miss another video from us. Without further ado, let's get into it. Know that the prices of cryptocurrencies do change frequently, so probably by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. So do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisors before making any financial decisions. Chainlink tokens were selling at $25 and changed at midday on May 24th, up roughly 17% in a 24-hour period. That should give you an indication of the asset's volatility. Link had just hit a 52-week high of $52.88 a couple weeks ago. As a result, it has the ability to double or be reduced in half in a short amount of time. To summarize, Chainlink tokens provide the opportunity for multi-bagger gains, but don't over-leverage yourself. Furthermore, you do not invest until you have a basic understanding of the underlying tech. Chainlink isn't the only network that makes use of the smart contracts. However, this network aspires to take the technology to the next level. The fundamental aim is to, quote, extend the capabilities of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data and off-chain computation, according to the website. Rewinding the clock back to 2017, a white paper described the network's fundamental concepts and was published by a group of professionals, including Chainlink co-founder Sergey Nazarov. Traditional blockchains on which smart contracts ran at the time were unable to facilitate quote-unquote native communication with other systems, according to the report. Decentralized Oracle networks were presented as a solution because they might, quote, enable connectivity with the outside world without the risk of a single point of failure, which centralized systems attract. Chainlink's goal was to create a decentralized Oracle network that would allow smart contracts to connect to the outside world. It would also help with this through software that powers the network's nodes. To put it in another way, the Chainlink network acts as a link between the traditional blockchains and the rest of the world. It stands out because of this, and in terms of investment, Chainlink, quote, bills itself as a DeFi or decentralized finance application, according to Investor Place contributor Mark Hay. So, for potential investors, what makes it stand out is its potential to disrupt traditional finance. DeFi Pulse, an analytics site, says that about $58 billion is quote-unquote locked up in DeFi today, compared to $80 billion in early May. Regardless, both projections hint at Chainlink's revolutionary goals, which might prove to be extremely profitable for early investors. Nazarov is also a big believer in DeFi, as you might anticipate. And according to Nazarov, the DeFi ecosystem might grow to $1 trillion next year. In principle, the sky is the limit for the Link token price if he is correct. The application of smart contracts in the field of decentralized finance has been increasing at a rapid pace. Oracles are used to assure the accuracy of data delivered to smart contracts and Chainlink, and the market leader in this area. The release of Chainlink 2.0 has the potential to reshape decentralized oracles and be able to boost the Link token's valuation to new heights. Chainlink is the 14th largest cryptocurrency at the moment. In accordance with the broader crypto market, it has lost about 43% of value this month. The Link token, on the other hand, has increased by 330% in the last year. It is without a doubt one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the last year, and with large potential growth ahead of it. Without a unified node network, the Chainlink network is effectively a network of separate oracles. Oracles therefore serve a link between blockchains and other entities, allowing them to communicate effectively with one another. Oracle networks combine data from multiple decentralized nodes to lessen the risk of data transmission failure. The current Chainlink upgrade takes things to a step further by introducing various decentralized Oracle networks that can effectively move data in both directions. Hybrid smart contracts that can access off-chain resources will be possible with Chainlink 2.0. The new mechanism will also make it easier for oracles to, quote, arbitrate off-chain Oracle conflicts. Scalability and security are two major advantages of the latest release. The major benefit of the new system is scalability. Due to the constrained on-chain loads, blockchains will gain improved scalability using hybrid contracts and off-chain consumption. As a result, the throughput and latency of the decentralized oracles will improve. Furthermore, the adoption of superlinear staking will further improve security, making manipulation much harder. Overall, the new approach does give consumers unrivaled assurance about the accuracy, availability, and security of off-chain data sourcing. Chainlink was trading at $11.45 in January, but in May 2nd, it had risen to $51.17. With a market crash later in May, though, its value plummeted from $37 to $21. Its value has fluctuated drastically since then. Most experts believe the project's fundamentals are sound, and Chainlink has been quite proactive in launching new goods and development in the past year. The price of Link is expected to rise from around $80 to $100 in the following years. Trading Beasts analysts believe Link will trade at $28.58 by the end of the year and be able to reach as high as $43 by 2024. Furthermore, Digital Coin anticipates Chainlink trading around $44 by the end of 2021. Wallet Investor is enthusiastic about Chainlink's prospects, believing that its price might rise above $46 in a year. It is expected to rise by $204 by the end of 2026, based on current market conditions. Finally, long forecasts believe that the Link token's price will fluctuate between $26.50 and $33 by the end of 2021. In addition, by 2025, its price might reach as high as $53.20. The price of Chainlink has reestablished a 27% correlation with Bitcoin, but volume has remained below the 50-day average, and Link is approaching a crucial price level. The trading bias should be neutral to negative as long as the altcoin remains below the 200-day SMA. Chainlink's price dropped 70% from its height of $52.99 on May 10th to a low end of $15 on May 23rd. Furthermore, the May 23rd low was 30% lower than the May 19th low, indicating one of the largest panic sell-offs in the cryptocurrency complex on May 23rd. Chainlink's price immediately reverted to the downside, dropping 40% from May 27th high to June 12th's low of $20.02. Link matched the remarkable decline with a 130% rebound to May 27th's high of $35.36. But Link price immediately reverted to the downside, dropping 40% from May 27th's high to the June 12th low of $20.02. May's descending trend line, which began on May 10th, has had the most significant technical impact on Link volatility. It first appeared on May 19th, right before the historic May 19th crash, and then reappeared on June 3rd and 4th. At $26.45, the technically crucial trend line crossed the 200-day SMA, posting a new challenge for the upcoming rise. A daily close above $26.45 would be a positive move for Chainlink's pricing, but it would not imply that the collective price has been completed. Link investors should aim for a weekly closure above the strategically key moving average to be able to boost their confidence. Even if the positive weekly close occurs, the Chainlink price will almost certainly be subjected to further volatility in order to relive the price comparison collective since May 19th. As a result, patience is required while dealing with one of the industry's top crypto oracles. If the novelty of Elon Musk's relatively bullish message wears off, Chainlink's price could revert to its greater side, pushing it down to the rising trend line from the May 23rd low of $20.90. Bears would have a chance to sweep the May 23rd bottom of $15 if the trend line were closed below it on a daily basis. The in and out of the money around price measure from into the block reveals a significant resistance cluster right now below the 200-day SMA. The opposition, out of the money address, has 11.15k addresses holding 25.04 million Link and is priced between $25.29 and $26.02. Chainlink's price appears to be facing an undeniable headwind in its attempt to rally to the pivotal moving average and trend line, according to this metric. Unlike the resistance, Chainlink pricing has limited support in the money addresses all the way down to the rising trend line from May 23rd. Chainlink is the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market value. However, it is little known, and as a result, Link can be seen as a follower rather than a leader. It is swayed by the cryptocurrency market's governing dynamics, or more lately, the fortunes of Bitcoin. Giving the digital asset too much weight because it is below the 200-day SMA could be a tactical blunder, at least in our terms. Of course, due diligence is still the key here. Chainlink has been one of the best performing altcoins in the previous years, with a promising future ahead of it. The latest installation will solidify its status as the smart contract industry's go-to oracle. Users will benefit from the unrivaled scalability and security thanks to the utilization of hybrid smart contracts. Analysts are mainly bullish on the stock's price for the remainder of 2021 and beyond. Therefore, now is the best time to buy it at a discount. So with that, we come to a close. We hope that this information was informative, and do let us know in the comment section below what you think. Also, if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to get more content just like this, and ding that notification bell so you never miss another content update from us. Until next time, folks, we'll see you later.